Hey there gardeners and lawn enthusiasts. Today I am super excited to introduce you to the Compost Spreader Peat Moss Handle for planting seeding metal mesh lawn and garden manure spreaders roller T-shaped. This incredible tool is going to revolutionize the way you take care of your garden and lawn, making it easier and more efficient than ever before. Just imagine the convenience of being able to easily spread compost, peat moss, manure or any other type of material across your lawn or garden with minimal effort. Thanks to the T-shaped design and metal mesh construction, this spreader ensures even distribution of materials, saving you time and energy. Whether you are planting, seeding or simply maintaining your garden, this spreader is the perfect companion to help you achieve the beautiful and healthy lawn or garden of your dreams. And not only that, but it's also durable and built to last, so you can rely on it for many seasons to come. So, why wait any longer? Take your gardening game to the next level with the Compost Spreader Peat Moss Handle for planting seeding metal mesh lawn and garden manure spreaders roller T-shaped. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing tool and start enjoying the benefits today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing gardening tips and product reviews. Happy gardening!